What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. I'm going to go over my earnings from my first 2 weeks of driving for Uber. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is the best app out there for rideshare drivers. It gets you guaranteed pay, better earnings all around. On top of that, it can even track your expenses and has a lot of other features in it. Our viewers will get $10 just for signing up using the link in the description below. So check that out, get your free 10 bucks. Let's dive in. Now, I will say I absolutely hate how the Uber app, like, if I'm in here and I'm scrolling back to look at the earnings and I go from 1 week to the next, it'll just like start me at the, at where I'm currently at, and then I gotta scroll all the way back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the base earnings and then I'll break it down day by day. So week one, now I started driving for Lyft originally and not Uber. And I think that's very backwards to what most drivers do, but I did only Lyft for a couple of months, then I hopped on both apps. So keep in mind, my first week in particularly, I was still doing a lot more Lyft rides. So week one, I made $370.23, 313 bucks off the net fare, 27 off promotions, 29.55 off tips, for a total of $370.23. That was basically in 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I wonder if it can show me the total hours there. Oh God, no, it's like breaking it down ride by ride. That's incredibly annoying. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So now I can go day by day. So on that Friday, I made $97.18, 10 bucks off promotions, 6 bucks in tips. Man, only 6 in tips. I was slacking. Saturday, we did $154.57, $133 off net fare, $12.50 off promotions, $8.55 in tips. And then Sunday I did 78 bucks in net fare, $4.50 in promotions, 14 in tips. I swear I get the best tips on Sundays. I don't know what it is. For a total of $96.85. I wish it would show the hours, the total hours. But yeah, so obviously for 3 days, and granted I was running Lyft that whole week, not horrible. Now the second week, I ramped it up a little bit. $738.40 total for the week. Let me see, so I did $612 in net fare, $37.50 in promotions, $398 in other earnings. I don't know what that was. 84 bucks in tips for the week. Not bad. I mean, honestly, if you make close to an extra 100 bucks a week in tips, like that's pretty solid, especially because this looks like it was not like the busiest of driving weeks for me. And considering I was running Lyft this whole time too. So Monday I did a decent little bit. Looks like about 6 or 7 hours, I would guess. Net fare, $102, $3.50 in promotions, 25 bucks in tips on a Monday. That's pretty solid. I mean, to think that I made 102 bucks in net fare and 25 bucks in tips, like a quarter of that of the actual net fare. I'm happy with that. Tuesday, it looks like I barely drove. 40 bucks for the day, 33. Yeah, Tuesday I just earned my gas for the week. 33 net fare, 3.15 promotions, 3 bucks in tips, 40 bucks total. Wednesday, not a busier day, it looks like either. 68 bucks. 7 in promotions, 6.25 in tips, 81 total. Friday, I went all out, $206.83, net fare $176, promotions 10, other earnings $398, tips 16 bucks. Slacking on the tips that day. Saturday, $115 net fare, 9 in promotions, 22 in tips. There we go, 146 total for the day. And let's see what I cranked out Sunday. $131 for the day, $115 in net fare, 11 in tips, $450 in promotions. So week one I did about 300, week two I did about 750. Obviously, I don't have my Lyft earnings incorporated into those numbers either, but like I said, my first 2 weeks were a little bit different, only because I already knew the ropes from driving Lyft. So I didn't make a lot of the rookie mistakes I had already gotten out of the way with Lyft. But anyways, thought you guys might enjoy that. My first 2 weeks of earnings on Uber. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out Solo in the description below. Start making more money ASAP. Get that $10 also just for signing up. I hope you guys crushed it out there this week, and I will talk to you guys soon.